Now, you guys have shot in Goa for how long for this film?
Close to 2 months.
2 months.
By the time, yeah.
And you have your best friend there, Abhishek. You've got two young boys, a gorgeous girl. Was it just like a full party scene the whole time? Did you get any work done or?
Absolutely. I think I'm probably a big party pooper when it comes to work. The lovely thing about outdoors, and particularly in Goa, the unit becomes very much like a family. We're just chatting, talking, whether we're going on recce, we're shooting, we're prepping for stuff. There's no home to go to. Your home, your family
is those people,
yeah.
is the beach,
and,
is
and,
yeah.
and in Goa, it's just even better because.
No, this film is about drugs, right? Hardcore about the mafia with.
Well, it's a thriller, and in the backdrop is the drug mafia. But
and you can't. I'm sorry, I don't care if this is going to become an issue or not. You cannot divorce drugs from Goa. Anyone who's going to say that, oh, you're projecting it in a negative light, no, it has become, unfortunately, a drug haven. Would you agree with that?
I'm not a statistician or a journalist, so I don't know. Yes, of course, it's been reported in the news, so we won't try to refute that. But I think finally, for a filmmaker, what's important is the dramatic intent. I'm not ever been a person who wants to use the reality as the dominant thing. If it feels credible, that's good enough. That's. But the thing is, finally, it has to work as a film.
You mean that the creative license is okay as long as it kind of believable? It doesn't have to be based on reality.
It isn't reality. There is no ACP Kamath. I mean, if you see the film.
Oh no, I don't mean about that kind of angle. I mean about the general picture that you're painting.
See, finally, Chor Police ki kahani hai. ACP Kamath has to go up against a villain. We've chosen a certain bad guy in this, and it happens to be set in Goa and happens to be a certain thing.
You think by this film, because post like say a film like Dev D, as much as it showed the negative side of drugs and drug abuse, it did make me want to get smashed straight after with a drink or something because of the whole music and the glamorization of it. Do you think that there's a danger of that happening in a film like you've got good-looking people?
Because if it's actually the antithesis of Dev D or whatever. I mean, because it's definitely a genre film. It's a suspense thriller. It's driven by that. The backdrop is there. There is a trade going on. We're not even getting too much into the detail, the nasha of it as much. I mean, there are few.
The high is not.
A couple of places which we've seen a little bit with Deepika's song in the film is a song interpretation of that. But otherwise, it's about a cop who takes it on. It's really not about like a Requiem for a Dream or any of those films which talk about the subjective experience. It's clearly not that.